What's up, guys? Hannah here. Meet Jim, your go-to guy in progress for building an online empire. Ever met someone who gets the online hustle? That's Jim, a serial side hustler turned full-time entrepreneur cracking the code on dropshipping, influencer marketing, and blogging. What started as late-night YouTube binges and failed Shopify stores has turned into a real business, and now he's sharing every win, failure, and aha moment along the way. Love e-commerce? But still dialing it in. I would love to collaborate. Want to grow online? He's documenting his influencer journey, no fluff, just real results. No guru nonsense, just actionable advice from someone still in the trenches. Because the best teachers are the ones still learning. Right here to talk about something super important for all you hustlers out there trying to make it big with affiliate marketing. We're diving deep into the weekly check, your secret weapon to crushing it in the affiliate game. Listen up, because this is how you level up your earnings and make sure your campaigns are absolute fire. We're talking about going beyond just posting links and hoping for the best. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty of those numbers, CTR, conversions, earnings, the whole 9 yards. Are you ready to boost your affiliate success? Discover how CTR optimization, conversion strategies, and earnings KPI insights can transform your profits. This is the stuff that separates the newbies from the pros, so buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's turn you into an affiliate marketing master. First up, we got to talk about click-through rates, or CTR for you, cool kids. Basically, this is how many people are actually clicking on your affiliate links. Think of it like this. You could have the most awesome product in the world, but if your link's hidden away like buried treasure, nobody's going to find it, right? CTR is like a giant flashing neon sign pointing right at your treasure. The higher your CTR, the more people are checking out your recommendations. And how do you boost that CTR? We're talking catchy headlines, irresistible calls to action, and placing your links where they'll get noticed. It's all about making those clicks rain down like a money storm, baby. Okay, so you've got people clicking on your links. Awesome. But hold your horses, because clicks alone don't pay the bills. We need conversions, people. Conversions are when those clicks turn into actual sales. That's where the real magic happens. The cha-ching start rolling in, and you get to live that sweet, sweet affiliate life. Now, tracking your earnings is key here. You gotta know which campaigns are bringing in the big bucks and which ones are just taking up space. It's like a video game. You gotta know your high score and which levels are giving you the most coins. This is how you become an affiliate marketing legend. Now, let's be real. Not every link will be a home run. Some might be a little, shall we say, underwhelming, but that's okay. We're not gonna give up on them. We're gonna give them a glow up. First, you gotta identify those underperforming links. Are they lost in a sea of text? Is the product just not that exciting? Once you know what you're working with, it's time to optimize. Think about it like this. You wouldn't wear the same outfit every single day, right? You gotta switch it up, keep things fresh. Same goes for your links. Maybe try a different call to action, revamp your design, or test out a new product altogether. And there you have it. Now you know the secrets to absolutely crushing it with your weekly affiliate marketing check. Remember, consistency is key, just like hitting the gym. Make it a habit to review these metrics every single week, and you'll be amazed at the results. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and optimize those links like a boss. Welcome to Everything Happens for Us, your gateway to exploring the exciting affiliate marketing world. Get ready to embark on a journey filled with discovery and success. Smash that subscribe button and join our vibrant community of beginners and enthusiasts. Together, we will dive into strategies, tips, and insights that will transform your affiliate marketing ventures into thrilling adventures, creating lasting connections and unforgettable moments. Adventure awaits, so why wait? Jump in now and let us conquer the affiliate marketing world side by side. The more you put into it, the more you'll get out of it. So go out there, dominate the affiliate marketing game, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next video.